old church. Small settlement in the mountains. Hostal bar, Mirva. So we are continuing on AS 117. Towards our hotel, Puerto de Tanes. So AS 117 was the Puerto de Tanes. Once again, beautiful road with the beautiful views. What a view! What a view! Looks like Scotland, just a bit drier. Wow, wow, wow. This is something else. So another quick pit stop. Comunidad de Castilla y León, Provincia de León. With such a view. With such a view. Yeah, so why not? Turismo naturaleza. Parque regional. Parque regional. Montaña de Riaño y Mampodre. Wow, wow, wow. Through the tunnel. Well, this is something else. So we reached the point over 1400 meters, Ponto de Terna, and now we're descending into the valley. So There's quite a few twists down here, which is great. So we are descending from 1400 meters. Beautiful views around. The road is quite narrow. So we're still on a AS 117. Really nice. The views are spectacular. Very little or no traffic. Look at the map. It's the hairpin after hairpin. Nice. Yeah, so descending. So as expected. Quite a few hairpins. Not very busy here, I still have to be careful. Watch for oncoming traffic. A little bit bumpy. Yeah, it's a really nice road, so highly recommend it. AS 117. The little ones. Nice and cool. nice and cool in a tunnel. Good morning, another day on the road. So we are in Tanis, in beautiful location of Redes National Park. We're in a hotel called the Mirador de Tanis. It's a really good stopover, really nice hotel. Quite small, but very cozy. We had a good meal last night. But yeah, it's a good stopover on our route. It's a beautiful location, right by the lake. That's the view from our hotel room. So yeah, really nice view. And yeah, the motorcycle is there, right by the hotel. Yeah, very small village, just a few houses, not much to do, but it's a good stopover, good rest. And now we'll continue west through the mountains and to the next hotel. So about 3 hours in a saddle, but we're getting closer to Portugal. So yeah, and a beautiful day. It's a really good forecast, mid 20s. Yeah, so we shall continue. Cheers.